Beautiful day has it been, folks? It's been a really beautiful day. I hope you all are doing well this afternoon. Again, just to recap on what we talked about early in the morning, as we come to the end of the day, you might have noticed that the day is very very powerful. We are still riding that trend. Like I discussed early in the morning, we would rely on these three things, the three G's, which is first thing is identify entry, get in, enter the trade, get green, identify exit, get out. Okay, get in, get green, get out. After that, you can identify another reversal point, which is you're looking at the dojis. Look at where the doji is coming up, and then look at what follows that doji. And if the doji is in your favor, yeah, take the trade without hesitation. That was your doji for entry. I I spoke about it. I mean, I talked about it really really a lot in my previous video prior to this one. So that was our entry for put entry, and this was our entry for this call, which is of course the trend is still going up. The trend is still going up, guys. So, like I said, I've just swapped my candle time frame from 7 minutes to 10 minutes, and with the 10 minutes, actually, I will not get all this lousy pullback. But of course, if we put this on a regular chart, you will not get the same result as you already know. There are panics in the middle that we're still riding the trend, but just that um, we don't have um, we still have that doubt normally. Say for example, this pullback right here, which is what we talked about early in the morning. We do have some pullbacks right around here, which is what we can see evidently. I mean clearly, but those pullbacks, yes, brings a lot of panics. Okay, brings a lot of panics. And if you have noticed, there's actually a pattern in today's chart. There's a very clear pattern. If you take a look, there are three candles which are horizontal right here. These three horizontal candles here. Okay, those three horizontal candle kind of just repeats itself. Another three horizontal candle right there. Where? Another three horizontal candle right there, and then another three horizontal candle right there. And if you haven't noticed, those three horizontal candles are being followed by a heavy or a massive um, candle, which a bull candle or bullish engulfing candle. Um, so those are just great. So you're seeing those, you're just staying in the trade. Okay. With that in mind, yeah, today has just been a beautiful day. We put this back to heikin-ashi because we don't want to deal with that stress and drama. Let that drama stay where it is. So in a 10-minute chart, you see that none of the wick is touching my trend line, the green line over there, and also none of the wicks was touching over that. With the first wick to touch this on a 10-minute time frame was that in the cycle, but we still stayed in the trade. If I put you back on my 7-minute chart, there's still some panic, but it's not that bad. The panic was right just around here. That was the only panic. But besides that, it's been beautiful because this is just great for scalping. But having the 10-minute chart and or higher time frame, actually those who trade 15 minutes, you don't really have anything to worry about. And you see that your doji is here really beautifully drawn. um, it clearly shows what your reversal point is on a 15-minute chart. um, Boom, you enter there and you stay in the trade, no panic at all. Look at how beautiful it is to go outside, I mean upside, to the bull. So that's has been the day pretty much. This is SPX. This is SPX we're looking at, and this strategy applies to anything. If you look at Microsoft um, this afternoon, it will be the same thing. It should be exactly the same. Well, not exactly the same thing, but it should be nearly the same idea. You have your entry right here. Well, you have your exit right here from your put option. You have your entry right here for your call option, and you're still on that trend. So it's just beautiful. And of course, you had your entrance right here. The day open, it was a little wobbly. Um, there was a lot of chops in the opening, but it held up strong, and that breakdown was good, and then the turnaround was excellent. So this does not apply to only one thing; it applies to anything, like anything. Okay, like pretty much anything. You just you identify entry. Okay, this is a tall wick here, so that raise concerns. You wanna clear the one without bottom wick, which is that, and enter, identify entry, enter, make some money, get green a little bit. If you have a stop loss, you would have a stop loss right around trailing that, and yeah, as soon as you see a doji, get out, and then just something like that. This was not a great day for this strategy, but it always works when you find a entry position or entry signal. So yeah, just keep playing around with this, guys. This will change your life as time goes. This will change your life. Particularly today was great. If I was to show you what is going on the Webull at this point of the day, actually let me put you back to SPX, because on SPX, no, let me put you back on SPY, because on SPY at this point of the day, right here, right here, those who like trading 0DT, which is options which are expiring today, 0 days to expiry, those who like trading 0DT at this point here, the put options were at $1. Okay, or I mean the call options, sorry, the call options were at $1. And because the call options were at $1, we identify this clear reversal, we enter $2, for example, $2 in the trade here. At this point where the market is at the moment, those options, they are $400 up, from $2 to 400. Now you tell me, if you are not able to raise or transform $10 into 1,000 today. This was just epic. Really, 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 really good strategy. You yeah, just play around with this, and your life will not be the same. And thank me later. Have a good one. Bye.